The journey of a diamond begins as the rough stones arrive at our factory. Our team meticulously assesses each diamond, carefully assorting them according to their unique characteristics to ensure complete traceability. Every diamond is individually packaged, with its entire journey recorded in our system.
So rough buying can happen in a couple of ways. So one is, as I said earlier on also, we are De Beers site holders. So one is a company like De Beers gives consistent goods for a year. So we know what our incoming is. And the second is to buy on a tender platform. Those are the two major ways where you can buy rough diamonds.
The diamond then undergoes a precise galaxy scan, confirming its authenticity and inclusion in our system.
So advisors are basically, it's like playing a game on computer.